In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook page email. Keeping your page's email current ensures customers, partners, and followers can reach you without messages getting lost. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups along the way. First, sign into Facebook. You can use a web browser or the Facebook app. Log in with the account that manages your page and make sure you have the right permissions, ideally admin access. If multiple people manage the page, it's a good idea to coordinate the timing so no one else is editing settings at the same time. Next, go to your page. Click or tap your profile photo, then choose See All Profiles, and select your page from the list. This switches you into the page profile, which is important because page settings don't appear when you're using your personal profile. If you're on desktop, you'll usually see the page switcher in the top right area. On mobile, it appears after tapping your profile picture. Once you're viewing the page, open the About section. On desktop, you'll find About in the left-hand sidebar or under the More tab near the top of the page. On mobile, scroll down the page until you see the About card and tap it. This area stores your public business details and is where Facebook expects you to keep your contact information up to date. Inside About, head to Contact and Basic Info. This section includes details like phone numbers, websites, and your page's email. It may be grouped under Contact Info, so keep an eye out for that label if you don't see it immediately. Find the email field and select Edit. Type in the new email address exactly as you want it to appear. Double-check spelling and domain, and consider using a shared business inbox rather than a personal email so your team can monitor inquiries. For security, Facebook may ask you to confirm your password before allowing changes. That's normal and helps protect your page. When you're done, click Save. Give it a moment to apply. If Save is grayed out, make sure the email is in a valid format and that you've removed any accidental spaces. After saving, review the contact info to confirm the new address displays correctly. You may receive a confirmation message at the new email, so keep an eye on that inbox. That's it. You're now set with an updated, accurate email on your Facebook page. If you don't see the edit option, it usually means your role doesn't allow changes, so check with a page admin. Thanks for watching, and keep your contact details current to make sure your audience can always reach you.